Hi, Poppy's Workshop, Caffeine and BS for April 23rd, 2019. I just finished shooting my official entry to Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop's 2019 toolmaking competition. I mean, there's all of 2 guys entered, so I got a great chance of being totally humiliated, but it's all in good fun. This is a special Caffeine and BS for my daughter-in-law, Nicole, in Arkansas. I understand you subscribe to me. Somebody had to. What else is family for, right? It's hot here already. It's 86 inside, and the sun is shining. Ain't no shade, so you know what it's like. Got a bunch of veggies in the north acreage. They're having to irrigate them already. And Gizmo just Gizmo's still got the ghost in him, so you hear him there. Nicole, you know Elena, well, she's pregnant again. If you didn't know that already, she is. Can you imagine Larry? I know he's been on the floor with the grandkid, right? Playing with the blocks and stack the donuts, and he probably got Owen putting together the Lego space port already. Can you imagine him with 2 grandkids to roll on the floor with? I'm gonna go now. Tell everyone about me. Tell them I'm freaking hilarious. Tell them to make a big bowl of popcorn and get their favorite recreational beverage and enjoy. Toodles.